stars while I paint this beautiful Suncatcher. Ready to paint with me? Okay, let's open it.
Gabby, what's a Suncatcher though? What does a Suncatcher do?
I don't know.
You don't know? It's actually like a hanging ornament that catches rays of light from the sun and then it reflects colors in your home on the walls. Maybe we can hang it on your house, right? There?
Where's the paint?
Where's the paint?
Where's the paint? Oh, here it is.
Silly Gabby. You left them out there.
Now it's painted. First, let's learn about the primary colors.
Okay, Gabby, tell us, what are the 3 primary colors?
Red, yellow, blue.
So what? Are we gonna paint your butterfly only 3 colors? Just red, yellow, and blue?
No,
How are we gonna do that?
we mix the colors.
We mix primary colors to make secondary colors?
Yeah!
Wow, that sounds exciting. Okay, let's see.
Guys, make sure to protect your surface while painting. See, I put paper. Let's start with primary colors first.
Say what color it is.
It's red.
What are you gonna paint red?
I know.
Okay.
Let's rinse our brush here.
Okay.
You don't want to stain the outdoors.
So you have to.
Rinse and wipe.
So what color is that?
Blue. Now I'm playing blue.
And blue is another primary color.
Yeah. So I think this is done. Now let's rinse.
Rinse again and
Wipe again.
wipe. Here's your tissue.
And on to the next primary color is yellow.
Oh, you mixed it with the red a bit.
It's okay.
Do you like how it's looking so far?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful, colorful butterfly.
And also it's a Suncatcher.
It's a Suncatcher. I bet it's gonna reflect colorful lights on your wall, right?
Yeah. Now it's time for the secondary colors. So guys, here's how you make secondary colors. You just switch to primary colors. I want to make purple though. So let's use red and blue. It makes purple.
So there's your blue. And now what will you add? Of course, you have to rinse it first, right?
Yeah.
Rinse it so it won't contaminate the red paint. Okay, now mix. Did you make purple? I think you put too much red though. Don't you think?
Yeah.
So maybe you can add more blue this time?
Yeah. First let's rinse. And then wipe. So
Wipe?
it won't contaminate the blue.
Okay, let's get blue this time. Yeah! That's looking more like purple, right?
Yeah.
Is that the purple that you want?
Yeah. Now let's use the purple.
Wow, it's looking good. Oh, you want the antennae to be purple too? Nice. Now what?
Green.
You want to make secondary color green?
Yeah.
How will you make that now?
I know. Blue and yellow.
Okay, first you wipe.
Yeah.
Okay. So
First
what?
yellow.
First yellow.
Hey.
Your paint is spinning.
Hey.
Here, let me hold it for you. Okay, so you put yellow there. Oops. Oh no, it's a bit contaminated. I think we should wash your brush again. Rinse it again. It's a bit contaminated, right? Okay, let's wipe it. Now let's wipe it thoroughly this time. Now let's get yellow again. Do you need water?
No.
Okay, put yellow here.
I thought I do.
Rinse. And let's wipe it. Remove the paint. All of the yellow paint because we don't want your blue to turn green. Okay,
Yeah.
hold it. Is that good?
Yeah.
Now let's get blue.
I think it's.
Wow! Did it turn green?
Yeah.
It did. Perfect. Wow, it's such a colorful butterfly. I've never seen such a pretty butterfly before.
I want to make orange.
Oh, so your next secondary color is orange?
Yeah.
How will you make orange?
Red and yellow.
Red and yellow. First it's rinse,
White.
wipe. Whoop. Okay.
Now let's get the red first.
Red first,
It's a
okay.
bit too lemon. It's not too lemon.
Rinse it again. And wipe it again. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Okay. Then what?
Yellow.
Yellow now.
I forgot.
And now, do you have orange?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do have orange. Mix it well. Nice.
I want to make pink.
Oh, so now that you're done with your secondary colors, you could also make pink, right?
Yeah.
But pink is not really a secondary color, but you can make it out of what?
Red and white.
Okay, so pink is red that's tinted. When you tint something, you add white.
Yeah.
Okay, so what? First you get
Red.
red.
Hey, it's moving. Now let's put it in the pile. Now let's again.
Rinse again. White.
White again.
Maybe rinse again one more time to make sure that there's no red left. Okay, wipe again. And now add white to make pink, which is a red that's tinted.
Yeah.
Do you now have a pink one? Pink color?
Yeah.
Okay.
See? But what's kind of pink?
It looks kind of peach instead of pink. Because your red is not so red. It's a bit peachy. Okay. I guess you made a peach. You want to make brown?
Yeah.
So to make brown, you actually have to mix all three primary colors together. Because orange and green make brown. So what?
Let's do it.
Okay. Oh yeah, you have green and orange there. So you mix the two together to make brown. Does it turn brown? Yeah, a bit. not showing. You add water. It's not showing. Okay, let's do it again. Just combine all three primary colors together to make brown. Okay, so this is blue. Let's add yellow to it. Now we have green. Now let's add red. I think it needs a bit more
What?
yellow and blue. It needs more green, which is yellow and blue, right?
Yeah.
So let's add yellow to it. Let's add blue to it. Hey, what's that foot? What? What's that? Let's see. It is now a brown. We did it. Do you like the brown though? Let's see. Oh, it's not. It's not really mixing that well, right? But if you use fresh paint, if you mix green and orange, it should turn brown. See? It's not mixing well. Let's add yellow. If it mixes well, it should turn brown.
I guess it's just use colors and secondary colors.
Yeah, let's just use primary colors and secondary colors.
Yeah.
Okay, here, complete it.
I think it's use blue.
Okay, blue again, which is a primary color.
Color.
And it's actually your favorite. That's why you're wearing blue, right?
Yeah.
Okay, blue again.
It's almost finished. Oh no. It's okay, right?
Yeah. It's your artwork, so it's okay.
Yeah. That there. Hey, that off one. Now let's pick this first. Yellow.
Yellow, okay.
Hey, why is my pen spinning? Careful.
So the butterfly's eyes are yellow.
But we can color another color after that because I don't like yellow eyes.
Oh yeah, you know what kind of eyes I like? Green eyes. What about you?
Blue eyes.
Oh, blue. Blue again? It really is your favorite.
Whoa.
Oh, now the eyes. Okay. But it's mixing with the yellow. So they turn green. The eyes are now green. Yes, my favorite eyes. Green.
It also has a bit of blue.
Okay.
Look, Mommy. These are the eyes, and this is the eyelids. Paint. And then there's the one. See how it looks? And ta-da!
Nice. I can't wait. Let's lift it up like this.
Wow!
Wow, I can't wait to hang it. See,
It's
will it
hanging
reflect?
now. It's hanging.
It's gonna reflect on the light. This is the back side. Gabby, did you do a good job?
Yeah, also I close the paints so we can use them for next time.
Oh, okay. Good job for cleaning up.
I like it. Wow!
Ah,
I think we
okay.
have to hang it with a string.
We have to dry it first, okay?
Yeah. That was fun, guys. Bye. Look at my butterfly. And I'm gonna do this. Wait, let me that butterfly.